So today I am going to show you how I created this look. I think it's really cute. I really like it, and it's actually very easy. So let me quickly show you how I did it. So I have already gone ahead and done this eye. Now let's do this one. So I'm going to take my Define liner in Dehydrate. I'm just going to use just plain water in a spray bottle, and I've sprayed it directly into the product. And the pigment comes dry. You just need to activate it with water. That's it. I'm using this flat brush, and this is a Morphe M213 brush, and I'm going to apply it in this semicircle shape. So just gonna roughly apply it here, and then I'm just gonna look straight up and see like till where my crease goes. See how it naturally is creating a crease line? That's where I'm gonna fill it in till. I'm making the shape more rounded, and I'm just keeping it on my eyelid. So this is just what I want to do. I'm just waiting for it to dry. Take this shade from the Huda Beauty Pastel Mint palette. It's just a plain silvery glitter shade. At first I thought of using this, but it wasn't really showing up like because it's blue. So this worked really well, and I'm going to use this brush from PAC. It's their 384 brush, which is a flat brush, and I'm just going to press the glitter pigment on top of where we applied the liner. You can even use your finger for it. I'm using the brush for like precision, just on the outer corner, so that the glitter doesn't fly out too much. But this is it. I like mainly focused the glitter just on the center. I'm going to use these pink holographic heart like this, and I'm going to use lash glue to fix it. This one is the PAC Lash Fixer. Comes with an applicator like this, and I'm going to use this. This is a nail polish like dot applicator. You get like these on Amazon, and even the glitter is from Amazon. So I'm just going to pick a little bit of the lash glue onto the dotting tool, and I'm just going to dot it here. That's where my first star is going to sit, and then I'm just picking up the star using the dotting tool that has the lash glue. And this is the tricky part, so I'm just gonna lace it here, right? So that's where my first star is going to be, and it's going to come all the way in. And from now on, we're just going to repeat the same steps. Okay, one tip I'm going to give you is that keep cleaning your dotting tool, or else this is going to happen. Your star is not going to stick properly, and it's going to come back with the tool. So keep cleaning it. Make sure that you only have a small amount of glue. See? Then it sticks properly. Just going to curl my lashes now, and then go ahead and apply mascara, and that's it. Using the Maybelline Lash Lift mascara. I love this mascara so much. I think Shadi just joined me. Oh yeah, there she is. And this is the final look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.